Ma'am,
EBS.
ma'am,
You
computer
don't break. Listen. Continuously you speak. What do you want? Tell me.
ma'am, in computer class not link.
I'm not. What happened second period? What do you have? You're asking. Ashwant.
Ma'am, second player.
Yes, that period was activity period. Every Wednesday, second period is activity. What happened when there is no activity? Ma'am will take maths. Okay. Ashwant.
Ma'am, didn't link came ma'am activity class time.
Activity class, how link will come? Already ma'am is there, no? I send the link for maths and everybody joined that class. So the master came into it. That's all. No need to send again link. No need, no? No. Okay, Ashwant.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am sent link for maths class. Okay. Now get ready for EVS. Okay, good morning, children. Hope you have enjoyed the activity, children. When PT sir and Prashant sir and Shashikumar sir, when these three masters come, you have to attend their classes and enjoy. Okay. If you're not there in the class, then you will miss. Then today we are going to write, yes, Jane, I think that's enough for you to eat. You can have it after 11. Okay, children, get ready to write now. Did you wash your face? Yes. After the exercise, you have to wash your face, I told. Okay, now wipe your face, then take a pencil and get ready to write. Take out your EVS classwork. Okay, now 1 minute. Cyrus, have you completed maths the following? Have you completed maths the following? Yes. Everybody check. Maths the following in EVS.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now take a new page. When I tell you to take a new page, all must take a new page. And don't be in a hurry to write anything. Learn the question, learn the answer, then write. Is it clear to you? You must not write anything if you don't know. When you learn the question and the answer, then it will be easy for you. Okay, take a new page, write today's date in the margin. Yeah. Answer the following. Write Roman number 3. Answer the following. Don't be in a hurry. Nobody is going to give you a present or gift if you finish first. What happened? 1 minute. Yeah. Answer the following. What do you mean by? Don't worry about the question right now. Roman number 1 was dictation words. Roman number 2 was match the following. Now take a new page. Roman number 3, answer the following. Only when I ask you to write the first question, you have to write. Clear? What do you mean? What do you understand by an environment? ENVIRO. See, ENV. Then write the spelling of iron. IRON. Yes?
Ma'am, I can't see your presentation.
1 minute. Who's that?
Ma'am, I'm
Oh,
Pratika.
sorry. 1 second. 1 minute. Thank you. Yes. Now you are able to see. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Now enough. All others just listen because I just pressed another button, it went off. Now you can see what? Just write Roman number 3, answer the following. Neatly. Don't start writing the question. Ma'am will teach you, then you write. What do you mean by an environment? Write the question clearly. Start with a capital letter, W. Only write the question. Children, don't be distracted, please. Joshika, turn off your mic. Kanira, turn off your mic. Write only the question. I don't want anybody to complete that. Full answer. After the question, leave a line. Mohammed Faizan, can you show me your classwork note? After writing the first question, I told you don't be in a hurry. Slowly. Children, those who are not listening to me, I will get angry. Don't write fast. We will learn, then we'll write. What do you mean by an environment? Cyrus, show me your notebook. Sri Mukilan, after writing the question, show me the notebook. Kanira, even you. Let's go. Vivek. Come here, come here. Yes. Yes. Now we will learn the Cyrus. Show me that, Cyrus. The question after each question, leave a line. Very good. Very good. Kanira, show me your notebook. Don't get frightened, children. I'm just asking you to show so that I can meet. Yeah. Yes. After, see, Kanira, after question must leave a line. Okay, don't do anything now. Okay. The surroundings. You know what you mean by the surroundings? The place around you, a person, an animal, or a plant lives. That we call an environment. It includes a person, an animal, or a plant. Surrounding. See, when you just stand in front of your house and look around, trees are there, persons are there, animals. That means all, like cat, dog, anything. It's not that you have to have an animal inside. That is called a surrounding. All these together will make an environment. Okay, the surroundings in which, the situation, okay, the surrounding in which a person, an animal. Have you noticed that? A person, an animal, a plant. Now you know how to use an animal, because animal starts with small a over here. Whether it's big A or small a, you have to use a person. So learn, then write. After the question, leave a line. After the same answer, leave a line. Good. Write neatly, slowly.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I have one doubt, ma'am. We
One
have
minute.
to,
What happened?
we have to write the question and we have to leave one line and
Yes,
write
it's okay.
the
Harish, Harish, show me your classwork note. Let me see. Let me see. If it's neat, no need to send. Come on, show me. No need to leave any line. Just show me. Show me, Harish. It's okay. Nice. Okay. If you leave a line, it will be neat. Okay, not, never mind. Start writing. If you do not want to leave, it's okay. But when you have big, big letters, you have to leave. Sona, are you comfortable?
Thank you.
Yeah, are you able to write? Okay. Okay, Sona. Write slowly, don't be in a hurry, okay? Write the first question, then the answer. If you want to leave a line, you can. And please don't be writing all the questions because you may not finish all the questions this period. So you will be disturbing the class the next day. Not to Sona, I'm telling others, don't write. You write only one question, one answer right now. Sri Mukilan, show me your classwork note.
Ma'am, we have to write answer now.
What happened, Johan?
Ma'am, we have to write answer now.
Johan, please
Ma'am?
speak clearly. Yes, what's your doubt?
We have to write answer now.
Yes, you have to write the question, leave a line, write the answer. Only the first question and the answer. What do you mean by an environment? The surroundings. Okay, the surroundings in which a person, an animal, or a plant lives. That's the place where you live. That's called an environment. Okay. Now, shall we go to the second question, Ashwant?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, you were just learning about germs that will cause diseases. Okay. Now, let us see what are these germs. Leave a line, write number 2. What are germs? This is only for you to make you understand, nothing to learn by heart, okay? What are germs? After that, leave a line. It's very easy. It's tiny organisms. That means tiny living things. Germs are tiny organisms that cause disease. You may not see that. It will be in water, it will be in stale food, okay, rotten food, okay. That means you are not supposed to use all that. Rotten meat and all that, like old food items which are kept in the fridge for a long time. All these you must not use. You must use always fresh. Germs are tiny organisms that cause diseases. Even in water, dirty water, it will be there. Okay, children, write slowly. Listen to ma'am's instructions. And you have to read in your mind. What are germs? Germs are tiny organisms that cause diseases. Yes.
Finished, ma'am.
Okay, don't say please, children. Let everybody complete. One minute, okay? Let everybody finish. Yes. Effie, can you read the first question and the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, read.
What mean by an environment? The surroundings in which a person, an animal, or plant lives.
Very good. Second one, Joshika, can you read the second question? Sona, did you complete second question and the answer?
No, ma'am.
Come on, Sona, waiting. Right now, leave a line, start. Joshika, read the second question and the answer. What are germs? Come on.
What are
What are germs? Come on. Yeah.
germs are tiny.
Germs are, yes. Continue. Germs, 1 minute. Let me see. Germs are tiny. Tiny means small. Organisms. Organism. Come on, say. Living thing. Organ. Yeah, that
Organ.
diseases. Okay, diseases. Now, children, you must know how to read organisms. Organ spelling ISMS. Organisms that cause diseases. Germs are tiny organisms that cause diseases.
That cause disease.
Very good. Now we are going to the third one. When you come on Friday, you have to learn this. Okay, just have in your mind what do you mean by all this? Environment, germs, pollution. Now, leave a line. Number 3, what is pollution? It's nothing but when dirty things, it can be smoke, anything, waste, food waste, paper waste, anything, with the environment, mix in water, in land, anywhere. All these dirty things mixed with the environment, it is called pollution. You write the question, leave a line and write the question. Children, even for classwork, we give marks. Sona, where are you? Johan, you can write. Sri Mukilan, show me your classwork note. Sri Mukilan, only 3 questions we are writing. Okay, Sona, no, nothing. No, it's only the room, that's what. Sri Mukilan, show me your classwork note. Show me. Sri Mukilan, show me your classwork note. I told you not to write third question unless I teach you, but you all copied it. Okay, Sri Mukilan, read the third question. Look at the screen or look into your book and read the third question. Come on, ma'am will help you.
What is pollution? When dirty things mix with the environment, it is called pollution.
Very good. It is pollution or it is called pollution. Now, Pratika, can you read the third question and the answer? Ma'am will wait all the complete. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
When
dirty things mix with the environment, it is called pollution.
Very good, very good. Ashwant, read. Sona girl, Complete it now. Don't give trouble to anybody. Okay, third question and the answer. With that, we'll stop today's class. But I want everybody to complete it. Yes, Ashwant, read it. When?
Ma'am, when do YOUS?
Ashwant, read the third question. What is?
What is pollution?
What is pollution?
What is pollution?
Come on. When
When dirty
things
things
mix
mix
with the environment,
with the environment,
it is called.
it is called as
Let me see now. Listen. You read. It is called pollution. When dirty things mix with the environment. Okay, environment. You all can read well. Only thing you have to practice environment. It is called pollution. Now I want everybody to read this. I want one by one to read. Now, Abhisha, read the last question and the answer.
Okay, ma'am. What is pollution? When dirty things mix with environment, it is called pollution.
Environment. Don't say environment. Okay. Now,
Okay,
I want.
Thank you.
Okay, good. Shaina Grace, where are you, Shaina? Shaina, where are you? Not there. Okay, now Sai Vasabi.
Ma'am.
Can you read the first question and the answer? Children, complete your work. I'm just waiting.
What do you mean by environment?
Listen, I told you, when you answer, tell others not to disturb. 1 minute. Sai Vasvi, turn off your mic. Turn off. Yeah. See now, I told children, 2-3 children cannot sit in the same room and attend classes like this. Okay, you just see, the other child can be removed and you can be alone there. Okay, Sai Vasavi. Okay. Mishti, can you read the third question and the answer? Mishti?
Ma'am.
Yeah. Third question and the answer. Children, I want everybody to learn all this, write and learn. In your home study, ma'am won't be sending the homework, then you will be complaining. You can learn in class and write afterwards, or the spellings. Sai Vasvi, are you all right? Okay, read. Third question and the answer. Now you are okay. Come on.
What is pollution?
Good. Yeah.
When dirty things mix the environment, it is called pollution.
Environment. I told you many times. Okay, very good. Now I need Kailina to read that. Kailina. Kailina.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the last question and the answer.
What is pollution? When dirty things mix with environment, it is.
Many times I told you environment. Please say like that. Environment, don't say.
Environment.
Yeah.
It is called pollution.
Very good. Now, Sona, have you completed, Sona?
So, ma'am.
Right. I'm waiting for you. I can see you all writing. Effie, can you read last one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
What pollution? When dirty things mix with the environment, it is called pollution.
Very good. Now I want Sudeep to read. Tridib,
It is called and it is called. Yes, ma'am. Pollution.
Tridib, read
Yes,
the last
ma'am.
question. Read the last question.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
What is pollution? When dirty things mix with the environment,
Not
it called
environment. Environment.
environment.
Yeah.
And
Now,
it is called
pollution.
pollution.
Children all must learn each word. Very good. And the spelling. Kailina, turn off your mic. It's not that ma'am is angry with you, because when you turn on your mic, lot of disturbance, echoing, wow, 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 what's going on? And somebody else is attending the class, that also will be a big problem. But Sai Vasavi just adjusted with that. Good, Sai Vasavi. Now, children, whatever we do, okay, you have to go through it. And today you have EVS or maths, anyone. We'll just see. If I take EVS and if you have time, we will have tables, maths tables. So you keep ready with your maths classwork where tables are written. I want you to learn it. Okay, maths tables. And EVS you can use your home study for special class. Okay, children, and both the classes, all the children, all must come. Those who are like not willing and all that, able to come. Some children, they may not have a system to continue a class till 12:15. Class will start by 11:30 and it will end at 12:15. So before that, during this break, you eat something and come. Okay, by 11:15 or 20, ma'am will send the link. Okay. Now, bye children. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.